Hi, this is Shane, and I'm here today. I want to share with you one of my favorite carrot dishes. It's roasted carrot. These are organic carrots. I'm gonna toss them with cumin, salt, pepper, a little olive oil. We're gonna roast it at 400. Then later on, we're gonna add some lemon, honey, and goat cheese and dill. And these are the ingredients. Okay, so these are organic carrots. You can buy them from Trader Joe's, your farmer's market, any of your favorite store. They always have them. My favorite is the purple ones. So you just kind of a quick peel. Get them nice and shiny. Nice and messy here. There you go. Organized. There's one. We got the second one. I mean, for God's sake, I think you get the idea. Who hasn't peeled a carrot? So, just clean up. And we're gonna cut them. Cut the little bun. We're gonna cut them by the bias. So you can cut them any shape you like. Just cut them all the same size so they cook evenly. I like this because it doesn't sometimes resemble a carrot. That's all here. One more. So this is my way. You could cut it, like I said, any kind of way you like. Just make sure they're all the same size. So I already pre-cut a whole bunch of them for you here. And here's the ingredients. So, salt and pepper. Just 2 little pinches. I'll have all the recipe for you. And this is cumin. This is about 1 tablespoon. You can put less or more to your liking. A little extra virgin olive oily. You could do grapeseed, whatever your favorite oil is. I like olive oil. It'll taste good with some sesame oil, but that's just your preference. If you do sesame oil, you could accent it with some sesames too, so they know. All right, so just dig in with your hands. Toss them. I like to do it with my hands because it kind of massages it, make sure they get all over the place, the cumin especially. And these are good to go. See, they're nicely coated evenly. And then you get a sheet pan and you foil it. Makes it easier for a cleanup. You put your carrots. Now this is what I usually see. People just trying to make it do. This, folks, is not gonna work out. It's overcrowding. So we do 2 sheet pans. Kind of break them up. So they all roast evenly and nicely. They get a little cuddler. All right, this seems to do the job. Okay, so we're gonna roast these at a high temperature. I'm preheating the oven at 400 degrees. And let me wash my hands. So, we preheated the oven at 400, and once it's ready, we're gonna pop these bad boys in. 1, 2. And I cook them for about 16 to 22 minutes. You wanna see a nice caramelization around the edges, and then that's finished. All right, folks. So, this is my first time cooking with this oven, and this oven took about 35 minutes to get these carrots the way I want them. If you notice, they have a little caramelization, a little burnt spot, and I'm good with this. You get a more color if you like. It's gonna probably take about 40 to 45 minutes, and it depends on your oven. If you have a conventional oven with fans, it's gonna be better and it's gonna be faster. So just keep your timer, start with 20, 25 minutes, and then just watch it. All right, folks, we're at the last steps here. Let them cool down for a bit, like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna put them all in a bowl. Nice. Here we go. And you know, while you're waiting for these carrots to cool down, cook, I went and meditated for 20 minutes. And that's why I got my smile back, baby. So I'm gonna hit these with a little honey while they're still a little hot. So the honey melts on them. I like honey, so I'm gonna put a little more honey than usual. But I'm gonna have the exact recipe for you. So this is truffle oil. And you could buy your favorite truffle oil. You could do fresh truffle if you're a baller. But I like truffle oil because I'm an economic person. Here's a little truffle oil. Now you can adjust it to your liking. I'm gonna put the recipe up. I'm gonna hit them with some black sesame seed. Just a little bit here right now so they get nice mix in. And I'm gonna hit some more on top of it too. So I'm gonna toss them. You know me, I like to put my hands in things and get it all worked up. All right, beautiful. And rinse my hands. And my favorite part of the whole thing is plating. Now, find a pretty plate. That's gonna bring out the looks of your carrots. Oh, look, I got so excited, I forgot to tell you about my lemon. So, a squeeze of a whole lemon, old trick, just do it in your hand, catches the seed, and the juice goes through your fingers. And then you can disregard the seed. Voila. Let's do the other one, because I like it lemony. That. Now think about this dish. It has oil, so it has fat, it has acid, it has sugar, and it hits all the spots. All right, one more time, one more toss. I'm gonna rinse the hand. Okay, so now the plating time. I'm gonna put them any way you like it. Just give it a little nice design depending on your platter, however you like to set them up. I put this way. I like this black and white, gives it a pretty color. You know, folks, I say this a lot with design and coloring your dish because people first eat with their eyes. And then you take it from there, you know, the smell, eat, touch, all that good stuff. All right, so this is, I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but chèvre goat cheese is my favorite. It's creamier, doesn't have that little craziness of goat cheese people are scared of. This one is actually chèvre honey goat cheese. So it's very special. I bought it actually at Trader Joe's. They have a great one. And I'm gonna put a little goat cheese all over. Now I'm gonna do this in session. You'll see how I like to build because I want a little bit of everything. So that's a little goat cheese. And then I have fresh dill. I'm gonna put that. And then I'm gonna hit it with some black sesame seed. So it covers everything. Now I'm gonna go over it again. Put a little more goat cheese. Now if you wanted, you could add more truffle oil, more honey, more lemon. You know, this is build as you go. It depends on your flavor buds, what kind of people you're coming to serve, to eat dinner, serve. Listen, this is my first video. I'm a little bit excited. All right, some black sesame seed. Wash your hand. And folks, I urge you to shop with a smile, cook with a smile, and for God's sake, eat with a smile. Ciao, I'll see you on the next one.